Yoruba Nollywood actress Deborah SOKOYA critiques Nollywood film quality. Before we continue about the news, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another interesting update. Yoruba Nollywood actress Debbie SOKOYA has expressed her dissatisfaction with the declining quality of films being produced in the Nollywood industry. Known for her versatility and captivating performances, SOKOYA recently took to social media to air her concerns, sparking a conversation among fans, critics, and industry professionals. In her statement, SOKOYA lamented that the focus in Nollywood has shifted from storytelling and artistic excellence to profit-driven productions. She emphasized that many films lack depth, originality, and the cultural essence that once defined Nigerian cinema, particularly Yoruba Nollywood. Where is the passion for storytelling? Many of the movies now are rushed, predictable, and poorly executed, she said. SOKOYA attributed part of the problem to the increasing reliance on social media skits and influencers for casting, often at the expense of trained actors and professional scripts. She also criticized the overuse of cliches and recycled plots, which she believes have alienated discerning viewers and diluted the richness of Yoruba culture in movies. It's like we've forgotten the essence of filmmaking, educating, entertaining, and preserving our heritage, she added. SOKOYA called for a collective effort to revive the industry's standards, urging producers, directors, and actors to invest more time in pre-production processes, script development, and technical quality. She highlighted the need for industry stakeholders to embrace innovative storytelling while staying true to their cultural roots. Her comments have since ignited a broader debate, with some supporting her views and others arguing that the challenges in Nollywood stem from limited funding and a lack of adequate infrastructure. Several notable figures in the Yoruba film industry have also weighed in, agreeing on the need for a balance between commercial success and creative integrity. Fans have praised SOKOYA for her boldness, with many expressing hope that her critique will lead to positive changes in the industry. "We need more people like her to speak up," one fan commented. Debbie SOKOYA, known for her roles in films such as Alaanumi and Idajo, continues to advocate for quality and cultural preservation in Nollywood, making her a voice of change in the industry. Don't forget to share your thoughts, and click on the subscribe button before you go.